Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Kannur cocktail without ice cream. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need ripe bananas, crisp apples, and sweet grapes for the fruit base. We'll also prepare a quick sugar syrup and have some chilled milk and a hint of rose syrup on hand. The key to a refreshing drink is ensuring all your components are perfectly cold before you begin blending. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. Take 2 ripe bananas, peel them, and chop them into small, manageable pieces. Next, dice 1 medium apple and have about 10 to 12 grapes. For the simple syrup, combine 1/2 cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a small saucepan. Gently heat this mixture, stirring constantly until all the sugar completely dissolves, then let it cool. With our fruits and syrup prepared, it's time to blend everything together. Carefully add all the chopped fruits and the cooled sugar syrup into your blender. Now, pour in 2 full cups of chilled, full-fat milk. For that signature aroma and taste, add 1 level teaspoon of fragrant rose syrup. Blend the mixture thoroughly until it becomes wonderfully smooth and achieves a creamy, luscious consistency. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade Kannur cocktail. Pour the freshly blended, creamy mixture into 2 tall, elegant glasses. For a lovely presentation, you can garnish each glass with a few extra fruit pieces or a fresh mint sprig. Serve this delightful, ice cream-free cocktail immediately to savor its refreshing taste and smooth texture. It's a perfect treat for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.